Hi guys, here I am back with another video. I'm here with Georgiana, the lovely Georgiana with Stepboard. This is a brand I wanted to highlight at Pitti in 2022 here in Florence. We're going to talk about her fragrances, some of them. And we're going to do a giveaway for EU or the USA subscribers of this channel. And we're giving a bottle of which one?
Cuoio di Thaon and Transitions Gift.
Okay. Find out about Stepboard fragrances coming right up. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian. This is Georgiana from Stepboard. So Georgiana, when did you start the brand?
The brand was launched in the end of 2018.
Okay.
And it was created to connect the beauty with the streets.
Nice.
As you can see, here we have spray can for graffiti. It's exactly the same packaging, but in the smallest format. We have 150 ml, where we bottled niche fragrances created by Bertrand Duchaufour. He translated into effective notes some places, people from Milan and London, because we have two collections. The first one has been dedicated to Milan, the first collection that we launched in 2018, and last year Stepboard London transported us to London.
Okay.
We have also a very smart technology of irrigation, because inside actually you have a bag-on valve where the fragrance is protected, and outside the bag-on valve you have the pressured air. So that's why the fragrance is, the irrigation is continuous, also upside down. It's an all-over duality.
Okay, so how did you end up working with Bertrand Duchaufour?
Actually, I met him thanks to a school, Muet & Co from Parma, where the project was born, let's say. And they put me in contact with Bertrand Duchaufour, who loved the project. He embraced our philosophy.
Great.
And we worked very well together. Yes.
He's one of the greatest perfumers, by the way.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
He is.
So do you continue working with him for all of your fragrances?
Well, we did for both collections. He will definitely create from now on. Maybe he won't be the only one.
Okay.
It's very interesting to have also some other visions from the outside, from some other masters.
Okay.
But we definitely continue also with him in schools.
And how did you come up with the technology for the bottles?
Well, we did a lot of research. I mean, behind this project there is a lot of study. 2 years of study and research, because we didn't want to have the gas inside. So we found an Italian company who is doing it very well. So yeah.
So there's no alcohol in your fragrance?
We have 20% of alcohol because the fragrances are water-based. They have been created to be worn also on your hair. So it's a body and hair fragrance.
Okay.
So we have 20% alcohol inside. Yeah.
Okay, so does this still fall under the shipping rules of...
Yes, dangerous goods.
Dangerous goods.
But as all the other fragrances.
Okay, so tell me what your most popular fragrance is.
Well, there are some. I will tell you about, let's start with the Milan collection, so Stepboard Milan, our first collection.
Yeah.
Actually, what we did is to imagine a metro tube,
The what?
a metro line that crosses Milan. So at every metro stop you have a perfume. The second metro stop is Bosco Sospeso, which in Italian is the suspended forest. And we got inspired by, for those of you who have visited Milan, I'm sure that, and
the
Exans,
buildings with the...
Yes, the 2 skyscrapers, all covered with these gardens. It's a project that has been extended to many other continents, right?
Yeah.
Created by Stefano Boeri. He's the architect of these buildings.
So it's called Bosco Sospeso?
The vertical forest.
Okay,
yes,
very interesting. So you took the name of that?
I took the name of that. I transformed it a bit because the name of these 2 buildings is vertical forest. We call it the suspended forest.
Okay. Cool. So it's a green fragrance?
It's a green fragrance, yes. It's a green fragrance. We will listen to this fragrance now, and you will also. I will be very happy to hear where it brings you.
Okay, sounds good. Let's do it.
Now we are in Florence. Let's see if we come back to
and we
Milan.
have the massive rain outside.
Yeah, we have.
Ooh.
Which is in some way connected to the fragrance because it's a bit humid.
It is humid, yeah.
It is. Thanks to Patchouli, the protagonist.
Love this patchouli in this.
It's very active.
I think this is my favorite of your.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. There's something angel-like in here, but a green angel, a glare angel. You get that?
You can feel immediately the tomato leaves.
Yeah, it's a tomato leaf angel.
Yeah.
With patchouli, of course.
With patchouli.
Yeah, this is lovely.
This is lovely.
So this is worn all over.
This is worn just like this. So yeah, you just.
We do that every time we spray this?
Yeah,
Okay.
you do just like this.
Okay.
Pay attention because if it falls, the pressure the air won't go out anymore. So so just like this, it's not for you.
Wow.
You have also
What if I don't have long hair?
on the beard. It's perfect. May I?
Really? Wow.
Because inside the formula has been enriched with some active principle like panthenol.
Wow.
And they,
it's also soft.
Yes, it's soft because they don't contain mineral oils, parabens, conservants. So it's a texture very pleasant for your skin.
It is very soft.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. What else do we have?
We have Cuoio di Thaon.
What does that mean?
Leather of Town.
Leather of town.
Actually, there is a street in Milan, Town de Rebel, where you have a lot of barber shops and motorbikes. It's like smelling Milan on two wheels.
Okay.
So it's very masculine, but
I should go there.
You should go there. There is also a very nice restaurant, very urban and underground style. So, it has been created for men, but women with a certain character just love.
So the fragrance is created for men.
Yes, mainly. But
do you consider your fragrances unisex, all of them?
I consider them unisex, all of them, because this fragrance, because women love to smell it on their partner.
Okay.
And they are also love to smell it on them.
Okay.
It's a connection.
Let's smell it together.
Yeah, together. It's like the smell of you on me.
Oh, how sexy is that?
So,
I love the way you do that with your fingers and turning everything.
Well, the gestuality is important. This is our bestseller, actually, all around the world, especially in Abu Dhabi.
Really?
Yeah. They just,
you sell all over the world, including the Middle East?
I don't sell all over the world. I sell in the Middle East, Tokyo, yeah.
This is nice. Is there a fruit in here too?
It opens with a sweet orange, but the iris...
it's a powdery leather.
It's a powdery thanks to the iris. You have also a suede leather with some drops of rum. And
what did you say? Rum?
Some drops of rum.
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 Sorry, you were
No,
telling
no. Rum.
So it's boozy.
Yes.
I can see the booziness. It's not overwhelming.
You have also cedar carrots.
Oh yeah, carrot seeds. We've been talking about carrot seeds today.
Oh my god, it's so sexy. This is so sexy.
This is very sexy. Yeah, I can see its masculinity.
Yes, here you can recognize the signature of Bertrand.
I'm a fan of his fragrances.
Aren't you?
Yeah. Lovely.
Especially some fragrances that he did. Can I mention some brands?
Of course.
The first fragrances that he did for Comme des Garçons.
Avignon.
The one with incense. Even if we don't have incense here.
There's an incensey vibe here. Yeah, he did the Comme des Garçons incense Avignon.
Yes.
Because there's a little bit of incensey vibe in here.
I think there is. That's why I told you that we can recognize Bertrand in this creation more than in the others, maybe.
Okay. It's got a signature touch.
Yes, it has.
Yeah.
It's the most urban that we have.
Okay.
And this is Cuoio di Thaon. It has been sold out for the last month, so our step boarders are so happy that we brought it again in our stock.
Cool.
Now we will pass to step board London.
Okay, let's do London.
Yeah.
I like London.
We choose London because this year there is a new metro line, Elizabeth line, that crosses the city.
Oh.
And for the 9 metro stops that are in the city of this new metro line, 9 international artists have been called to personalize with their art pieces the underground, the access to the underground, and this is amazing.
Did you say Elizabeth?
Elizabeth line.
So is it named after the
I think so.
Queen?
I think so.
Okay.
Yes. And it's blue, exactly as our donuts. Electric blue. So we paid attention to each detail.
Very
I told you a lot of study. Step aboard to London. Here we have 3 metro stops, all inspired by 3 art pieces that you can find in the underground of the new metro line, the blue metro line. In this case, we have Transitions Gate. Actually, we got inspired by, we are in the Canary Wharf area, very business. Before you take the tube, Elizabeth line, you can find this video made by Michael Rovner, an Israeli artist. She did for this underground.
Okay.
She did a video called Transitions. It talks about the departures and about the arrivals of the people in London, the human flow in the metropolis.
Okay.
We are all in a strong connection. It's so huge, and it's all in grey colors. You have no colors on it, so that's why there are no colors in this fragrance.
Okay. What does it smell like? Here you go.
It's smoky.
Smoky. Is it grey?
It's grey.
Yeah, okay.
It's a bit gothic.
Is it London grey?
It's a London grey. Yeah.
Oh, this is definitely Bertrand.
Oh my god. It's dark.
It's
a bit-
foggy,
It's foggy. It's foggy. It's foggy.
hazy,
It's hazy.
but there's a sweetness there.
Well, you have a lavender flower
Interesting.
in the head notes. It's dark because of the black leather.
Okay.
Fume because of the birch wood.
Oh, yeah, it's smoky, yeah.
It's dry because of the cedar and of the vetiver.
It's very woody, yeah.
It's a bit spicy because of the saffron. It's so complex.
Yeah, it's very complex. Wonderful. I prefer this one more than the Cuoio di Thaon.
This is the London that looks to the future.
Okay.
So
Very
you can
interesting.
find the beauty also in the underground. It's very important to see some hidden places where no one looks.
Okay. Cool.
So this is Transitions Gate.
So let's smell one more fragrance.
Okay.
What do you recommend?
I would recommend, well, it's more gentle. Sunday Street for the inspiration. Yeah,
Sunday Street.
Sunday Street. Yeah.
Is this part of the London?
London collection.
Okay.
London collection. Actually, it's the second metro stop. We started with the third one and the last one, but it's okay. We will come back. We have the metro, so we can come back.
Okay, yeah, that's true. So you have 2 collections?
I have 2 collections.
Okay, all right. Milano and London.
Milano and London.
So Sunday Street.
Sunday Street. We are still in London, Elizabeth line. We are at the Whitechapel area, where you have also the Whitechapel Gallery. So it's a very artistic area, also very multicultural. And this artist, Chantal Joff, he's part of this project Art on Crossrail.
Okay.
This artist has been called during one Sunday afternoon to stay there, just watch all the people who are passing on the street, capture a bit of them, and do a collage, a painting.
Okay.
Now these paintings are in the underground. Before you take the Elizabeth line at the Whitechapel metro station, you can see them. And if you were there during that Sunday afternoon, you would also be in these paintings.
Okay. Wow, wonderful.
That's why this is the meaning also of our packaging.
Okay.
Illustrated by our friend Marta from Mantova,
Okay.
an Italian artist.
right. Let's
So
smell.
it's a fragrance very colorful, right? It's a bit of you, of me, of all the people that were there.
Oh, I got some.
Yeah, we got some. Okay, we will use this. Voila. We used the yellow curry because the artist Chantal Joff, she's using it in her paintings.
Did you say yellow curry?
Yes, I was talking about the label, but you can feel the yellow also in the fragrance,
This
right?
is a lot brighter than the last fragrance, the last two fragrances.
Yes, it's more gentle, I told you. You have a citrus.
It's gentle, but it's not like weak.
No, it's not weak. No.
What are the other notes? So citruses?
Citruses, vanilla,
Okay, yeah, there's a sweetness there.
endless flower. I told you it was yellow.
Immortelle?
Immortelle.
Yeah.
All on some cereal, toasted cereals.
Bread notes. Okay. Wheat notes.
It's
Very interesting.
A gourmand fragrance.
That is
yes.
nice.
It's very nice, the contrast, because you have the ginger inside, and
Okay.
it creates a certain contrast.
Yeah. Wonderful. This is actually really pleasant.
On clothes in winter and on your hair, it becomes the best friend of you. Right?
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Yes.
If you need a friend, wear this perfume. All right, yeah, this is really nice.
Yes.
I really like this.
Can you
Really.
feel the yellow color inside?
Of course, it's very yellow. It's bright sunshine.
Yes. So go and discover all these beauties in the underground.
In London.
In London. So
Cool.
art for all, access for all. No need for a ticket to go to the Tate
Wow.
Museum.
Okay, I'll have to
They
do
are
that.
just on the street, okay?
Yeah.
Just like in Chicago, right? You can find an Anish Kapoor on the street because the city became a museum. So this is very important.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we need to talk about the giveaway. We're going to do a bottle
Okay.
of.
We will do,
We mentioned the.
Cuoio di Thaon
Yep.
and Transitions Gate.
Okay.
So a black leather and suede leather.
Okay. So we're giving away leathers.
Leathers.
Okay. So we are doing a giveaway, either for subscribers of the USA or the EU.
Yeah.
A bottle of each of these. All you have to do is put down on the comment section what you liked about this video, and put down your country or state if you're on the USA. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
Georgiana,
you.
thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Hope you guys are having a great time. If you have any questions or comments, please list below. Please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.